Have you ever considered the benefits of cloves and cinnamon water? These two powerful spices have been used in traditional medicine for centuries, renowned for their anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antiviral properties. Today, we're diving into the science-backed benefits of drinking cloves and cinnamon water and guiding you on how to make this potent blend yourself. Let's jump into the top 10 amazing benefits of cloves and cinnamon water and discover if it's a health ritual worth adding to your day. What are cloves and cinnamon? Let's start by understanding the origins of these incredible spices. Cloves are dried flower buds from the clove tree, native to Southeast Asia. Known for their strong, pungent flavor, cloves have been used for centuries in both cooking and medicine. Cinnamon, on the other hand, is made from the inner bark of the cinnamon tree. Its warm, sweet flavor has been a staple in baking, but it holds powerful medicinal qualities as well. Together, these spices create a drink that's not only flavorful but packed with health benefits. Benefit number 1: Immune system boost. Your immune system, the body's natural defense, gains a potent ally in cloves and cinnamon water. Cloves contain eugenol, a powerful antioxidant that aids in the production of white blood cells, essential defenders in our immune system. Cinnamon's antimicrobial properties further strengthen this defense, creating a protective barrier against infections. When combined, cloves and cinnamon create a dynamic duo, boosting immunity and helping your body ward off illnesses naturally. Benefit number 2: Anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is the body's response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can lead to health complications. Cloves and cinnamon are natural anti-inflammatory agents. Eugenol in cloves has shown powerful anti-inflammatory effects, which helps to regulate the body's response to inflammation. Cinnamon, with compounds that inhibit inflammatory pathways, complements cloves, making this infused water a natural remedy for managing inflammation, offering relief for conditions like arthritis or inflammatory bowel diseases. Benefit number 3: Digestive health. A healthy digestive system is vital for overall well-being, and cloves and cinnamon play a supportive role. Cloves are known for their carminative properties, reducing gas and bloating. Meanwhile, cinnamon helps with the breakdown of food, aiding digestion. Together, they transform this drink into more than just a flavorful beverage. It's a digestive tonic that can soothe your stomach and promote gastrointestinal health. Benefit number 4: Blood sugar regulation. Managing blood sugar is essential for energy balance, and cinnamon has a remarkable role in regulating blood glucose levels. Studies suggest that cinnamon can improve insulin sensitivity, helping the body use glucose more effectively. For those managing diabetes or simply aiming for stable energy throughout the day, clove and cinnamon water is a natural and tasty addition to support balanced blood sugar levels. Benefit number 5: Heart health. Cloves and cinnamon are beneficial for heart health, potentially reducing cardiovascular risks. These spices can help lower blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels, easing strain on the heart. Additionally, cloves and cinnamon have been shown to lower cholesterol levels, contributing to reduced cardiovascular risk. Incorporating this drink into your daily routine is a delicious way to support heart health. Benefit number 6: Dental health. Good oral health goes beyond fresh breath. It's essential for your overall health. Cloves, long used in traditional remedies for their antiseptic properties, combat bacteria in the mouth effectively. Including clove and cinnamon water in your routine promotes oral health, giving you a natural and refreshing way to keep your smile bright and your mouth healthy. Benefit number 7: Stress relief. In today's fast-paced world, stress relief is more important than ever. The soothing aroma of cloves and cinnamon has been shown to reduce stress and promote relaxation. Imagine winding down with a warm cup of clove and cinnamon water, making it a calming ritual that could become your go-to stress relief after a long day. Benefit number 8: Weight management. If weight management is a goal, cloves and cinnamon water can become a useful companion. Cinnamon can boost metabolism and help regulate appetite, while cloves provide a rich flavor without calories, making this drink a satisfying addition to a balanced diet. Regularly drinking clove and cinnamon water adds a layer of support for healthy weight maintenance. Benefit number 9: Anti-cancer properties. While no single food can prevent cancer, the antioxidants in cloves may provide some protective benefits. Antioxidants combat free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress, a factor linked to cancer development. Integrating cloves and cinnamon water into your diet isn't just about flavor, it's a natural way to add a layer of health defense. Benefit number 10, improved brain function. As we delve into brain health, cinnamon's neuroprotective properties stand out. Research suggests that cinnamon may improve brain function, enhancing memory and cognitive processing. Sipping on this aromatic blend may not only satisfy your taste buds but also support brain health, offering a potential boost to your mental clarity and cognitive abilities. How to make cloves and cinnamon water at home. Creating this healthful beverage is simpler than you might think. Here's how you can make it at home in just a few steps. Gather your ingredients. You'll need a handful of cloves, 2 cinnamon sticks, 2 cups of water. Start by placing a pot on the stove and pouring in 2 cups of water. Turn the heat to high and bring the water to a rolling boil. Once the water reaches a boil, add the cloves and cinnamon sticks. Allow these spices to infuse their flavors into the water. Lower the heat and let the mixture simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. This simmering step ensures the flavors fully merge with the water. After the simmering time, turn off the heat and allow the mixture to cool slightly. Strain the liquid into your favorite mug, ensuring that no cloves or cinnamon sticks remain in the drink. Your cloves and cinnamon water is now ready to enjoy. This comforting drink is perfect for sipping in the morning or evening as part of your wellness routine. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who might benefit from this information. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and wellness insights.